Hello, we are now.
Hi, my name is Danny D'Angelo. I'm looking at some commercial space in Tulsa. Please return at 4/8, day or night. If I
Hello,
have
this
the,
is Bruce.
oh, hey, Bruce, how
Hello.
you doing? Bruce, Danny.
Good. Who?
Danny, thanks for picking up.
Yeah. Who's Danny?
I'm Danny
I know. What's your last name?
D'Angelo.
Yeah. What can I do for you, Danny?
Calling on some commercial space in Tulsa. I wanted to discuss a potential lease. I understand this is your property on Braden Avenue.
Yeah. Yeah.
The closed laundry.
Yeah.
That's what I do, Bruce. I've been in laundries for
Okay.
about
What do you got over there? What you got? Some sort of a tenant you're interested that might be interested in it?
No, me. Let's
Uh-huh.
let's back up. I've been doing laundromats for 15 years. My partner and I are looking to build out more stores in Tulsa, so I'm the interested
Uh-huh.
party. I'm
Oh,
I'm
I see. I
I'm
see.
not a
I
broker.
see.
I'm not an agent. I talk
Oh, okay.
fast,
Okay.
but
All right, I didn't quite understand you. Okay. Well, right now that lady still has her lease is still good, and she pays every month, even though she's got her place closed. She's thinking about. Well, she's got her application in for a dispensary,
Well, Lottie frickin' da!
and she's just about approved. I talked to her the other day, and I think that's what she's going to turn that into as a dispensary. She's pretty much hell bent on doing that. She's got the money behind her to do it. So that's
whoa,
kind of what's going on with that deal.
that's new to me. Can I ask you something? Look, obviously now you
Yeah,
get it. I'm not a broker. I'm not an agent. I'm not a flipper. I'm interested in laundries.
sure.
So what you have here, Bruce, is a laundromat, and you know why I'm calling you?
No.
The infrastructure. The
Mm-hmm.
equipment is old. I don't blame her for closing it. This is not a viable laundromat the way that it sits. But I'm
No, that's
interested,
very true.
yeah, I'm interested in the infrastructure, which is there. The gas, water, electric, it's all in the walls.
Oh, it is. It is. And you're very much exactly correct. Not her or the other before her, but the person that operated it for, I don't know, through the whole lease for 5 years before that, he put a lot of money in it. He spent a lot of money with the water and a lot of money redoing the gas and everything. And then he just, his wife and him, I don't think they could get along when they were running it. And so he sold it to another family, and they just didn't know what they were doing. And then this gal, she bought it for an investment, and and she's all I can say is she pays her rent every month, and I haven't bothered her for anything. She's got another year and a half on it, but she said to me, "Would you mind if I turn this into a new business?" And I said, "No." I said, "Just as long as you go forward." And she said, "Well, I've got a backer behind me, and that's what I'm actually really wanting to do." And she said, "I want the space, and I'll pay
Bruce,
you." And so
Bruce,
yeah. Hey, what do you want from
Bruce,
me, buddy? I mean,
Bruce.
that's what I'm telling you. I don't
I
care one way or another as long as I get paid on the deal.
okay. Yeah, no. What have I
That's
upset?
all there is
Have
to it. As long as
have I
somebody pays their rent, I've had the place for 50 years. The family's owned it for 50 years. I don't. I'm
am
not
I
trying to
upsetting
hurt.
you? Am I upsetting you? I'm
Well, no.
okay. Good.
I'm just trying to be honest with you, bud, and tell you exactly the way it is.
Okay.
I've
And
had the place for 50 years. I've always had a tenant. I don't have any problems with anybody. She's a nice lady. She said, I can't make it as a laundry here. I don't care if you can make it there or anybody can make it there.
you just
She
want to
has the
collect
lease.
rent. I'm a
Huh?
landlord too, Bruce. I own commercial
Yeah,
properties
I
as well.
collect rent from her, and I collect rent from the Mexican restaurant, which is wonderful. I collect rent from the other guy. They're all great. None of them give me any sort of problems whatsoever. They're all working hard to try to keep the deal going, and they send their checks in on time. So what am I going to do? What should I intermingle with her and say, "Oh, I want a laundry here," or "I need a laundry here"? That's all there is to it. I mean,
May I say something?
sure,
Okay.
sure.
So
Go right ahead.
thanks. I own commercial property as well, Bruce. So call me a landlord.
So do
don't.
I. Yeah.
Yeah. Of course, you own this building, I assume.
Yeah, absolutely.
So let's just talk very briefly about laundromats. I've been doing this for 15 years. I've got stores in 3 states. Not trying to impress you,
Yeah.
just facts. I'm intrigued because the infrastructure is here, the gas, water, and electric, like I said. What I'd hate to see
Sure.
happen, so your current tenant has 1.5 years remaining. You told me that.
I believe
Why not?
so.
Sure.
Yeah.
Why? I'm not looking to move pieces around on this chessboard, but I believe it would be a shame. She's got money for a dispensary. God bless her. Sounds like a great business.
Mhm.
I don't smoke, never have. My parents were dopers.
No, me neither. And I'm not.
My parents
I
were
don't care
dope
about it.
fiends. They smoked all the time. I don't give a shit.
Well,
I don't want to deal with it.
I don't either.
I've got my oldest is
You know.
18. I've got 3 daughters. I hope they don't get into it. That said, sounds great. But what I'd hate to see happen, you can plug her in anywhere if you have other commercial space. She has the money, the backing. Why not put why destroy the infrastructure in this laundry? Just planting a bug in your ear to say, I'm interested in infrastructure. It's already here. I don't buy laundromats. I'm not looking to purchase it at any price. This is a call not out of the blue. I'm calling you because
Okay,
we
I understand. I
physically
understand.
scouted
You know,
this location and walked through it when it was open months ago. And she's closed the doors because she doesn't see a laundromat as viable. I'll spend $250,000 on washers and dryers and pay you rent. We haven't even gotten to the rate of rent, whatever that is. But I'd love to talk.
Oh,
terms.
it's pretty darn reasonable.
Sure,
I mean,
of course it
I
is.
think it's $14.50 a month, something like
Okay.
that. She sure does pay it, and
Sure.
you know, I mean, that's been a great center. We've got other properties, but I'm primarily, my number one business is the oil and gas business, and we've been in that business for 75 years nonstop. And we've got other lots all around the city, but this is the last of the little commercial
You've
properties.
been running
that
your
we've
mouth
got.
nonstop too for that
Now
many
that
years.
you know
At
that,
least that
give
many
me your
years.
name, give me your number. I'll talk it over with my brother, who's my partner,
Nice.
and we'll just see what we can do. That's really all I can. I can listen to you all day long, and I know it is a viable situation.
You actually don't
and
listen.
there's a lot of people.
Silly fuck.
I have come up there occasionally to pick up rent, and people say, "When are you going to open as a laundromat again?" I said, "Well, I'm just collecting rent, you know, or I'll pay the guy that's mowing the grass or something like that." He says, "Yeah, a couple guys came up and wanted to
Bruce,
know when
I
you
would
were gonna
hate to
open
see
again,
this place go away and the infrastructure thrown in the trash for no good reason.
Mm-hmm.
If you have other space, and again, I'm not telling you at all what to do. The place has been in the family for
understand
50
you're
years.
not.
I heard every word you said. I'm looking at a dozen stores in Greater Tulsa right now.
Good.
I'd love to talk terms with you and lease this space. She has 1.5 years remaining, bro. What I do know about marijuana is it's hard to get that licensing done. She might end up with no lease term remaining and have paid you for nothing. To me, as a businessman, I'd say, fuck it. Why deal with this spot? Go somewhere else. She likes you. You're obviously a great landlord. Maybe plug her in somewhere else. Because then, Bruce, you end up with 2 good long-term tenants. I'm looking for 15 years, no less, because I'm not going to spend $250 grand on washers and dryers and dip my toe in the water. What's your email address?
No, I didn't get your name, so I'd like to get your name.
Danny D'Angelo.
Danny D'Angelo.
It will be in the email.
Okay.
Today is a
Danny.
lucky
All
day,
right.
and you know this may work for both of us. Facts. 1.5 years remaining on a long-term laundromat lease is nothing. It's a blink of an eye. I'd love to see you plug her in somewhere else. If it happens, if not, she's got the money for a dispensary. She's excited. She loves the puff. God bless her. We might talk, Bruce. If so, we'll get something done. I'm Danny. My partner is Mr. Ballard. We are local to Tulsa, and I'd love to talk terms with you. I'll send you a little email. It is a little how do you do?
Appreciate it very much.
Yeah. We'll talk soon.
Fair enough.
What is that guy on? I'm pretty sure this hot water heater's got a few more good years left in it.